I spent 30,000 generations trying to teach this blind robot to jump over a wall on two legs. The result? A dead end at 14 meters. Physics simply forbade it from going any further. But today we are changing the game. We are giving it a tail, 6 flexible segments, a motor at the base, and a touch sensor at the very tip. It's not just a piece of metal, it's his new sense organ and the perfect balancer. At first it was chaos. He didn't understand what that stick was behind him, but AI learns quickly. He figured out how to move forward pretty quickly. We also see how he tries to fill the space around him with his tail, and even though his tail is not strong, he still pushes off with it a little. It reminds me of a racing car. It stands at the start, accelerates, and then catches the right moment and pushes itself with its tail for more speed. At the 217th generation, he overcame the impregnable barrier. We see that this is no longer a problem for him. The tail gives him more stability and a sense of space.